Andy Bashir gave an update this morning on flooding across the state as the state's death toll continues to rise. A 50-year-old man from Bullitt County was recovered from floodwaters today, bringing the total to 5 lives lost in the latest round of severe weather. While the rain has moved out and water is receding in many areas, the damage is far from over. Roughly 440 state roads are still blocked by high water, and another 17 are shut down due to mudslides. Authorities are reminding drivers to never drive around barricades and never remove them. Bashir is also urging Kentuckians to stay vigilant, saying the danger doesn't end just because the water is going down.
Cleanup can be as dangerous as the flood. Make sure if you're doing this work that you have your tetanus shot. Know that there can be gasoline or other things in that water. Know that mold can be significant and spread very quickly. We don't want to lose anyone in the cleanup, and sadly in the past we have lost some really great Kentuckians.
Since Saturday, state police have responded to nearly 19,000 calls. Search and rescue teams have carried out 142 rescues and helped evacuate 272 others.